Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to delete Facebook friends in bulk at once. If you have thousands or hundreds of friends on Facebook and you want to declutter, but it takes a lot of time to delete or remove every friend one by one. So in this video, I'll show you how you can do it in bulk at once. So first you have to go to a browser and then search for Facebook. Once you have searched for it, you will be on your home page. Then you have to click on your profile and you have to go to your friends. I only have two friends, but if you have hundreds and thousands, the process will be same. Now you have to open another tab and then you have to go to Chrome Web Store or also the extension store. You will get there and then you have to click on this option for extension. Then you have to look for the extension called LOC. You will get this. You will also see its verified tick. Once you have it, you have to simply click on add to Chrome. Once it get added, that's all good. Now you will be able to declutter your friends at once. So what you can do is you can go to your Facebook, then you can click on to the extension. It will open this page. You have to scroll down there. You will see this option for friends remover. Click onto it, it will show you ad. You can just simply skip it and it will show you all of your friends. Now here on this page there is an option to see 500 friends at once. You can click onto it. Now you can select all of them at once by click onto this one, or you can select on a specific one and click on delete and the Facebook friends will get removed. You can go back to Facebook, do a refresh and you will see the friends will be gone from your friend list on Facebook. So that's how you will be able to remove all of your friends at once in bulk. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.